A butterfly wasn't born a butterfly. Once, somewhere in the dark and quiet, it was trapped inside a tiny cocoon. But it never believed that the cocoon was its ending. Deep down, it knew that light would find its way someday. With patience, with growing pains, with loneliness, slowly, it learned how to have wings. Not overnight, not effortlessly, but with its whole heart. When it finally broke through the cocoon, it wasn't the same anymore. It was brighter, freer, lighter, as if every moment of struggle had turned into the colors now shining on its wings. The butterfly teaches us that sometimes we have to pass through the darkest moments to become the brightest version of ourselves. It reminds us that no cocoon lasts forever, and no hardship can stop someone who truly believes they were born to fly. And you're just like that butterfly. Maybe you're still in your cocoon. Maybe you're on your way. Maybe you're already close to breaking through. But trust me, the colors and the light of your wings are on their way. If you stayed with me this far, I want to ask you for one small thing. If the vibe here, the energy, or even just one moment connected with you, I'd really love it if you hit that subscribe button and stick around. Every like, every comment, every bit of interaction you give me honestly gives me the motivation to keep going and create even better stuff. This channel isn't just a page. It's a journey I'd be happy to walk with you. So if you feel like it, leave a little sign that you were here. You have no idea how much these little signs help me spread my wings for the next flight.